We are starting building the grow-on pond. This will be the base. Here you go. First screws in.
First two screws.
So this is Sunday, May 24th, and it is about 4, I think it's like 3:45. Pat just left, so this is what we got as our bottom structure for the little grow-on pond. It's going to be 6 feet by 6 feet by 3 feet deep, and this is going to be the bottom support, and then we'll put some plywood over. We got 5 more pieces to cut, but we needed one of the pieces of pressure treated we got was kind of crappy, so we use it as our to true it up square, just to hold it in place while we were putting these things in. So 5 more boards, and then the bottom part will be done, and then we'll start working the walls. So he'll be back tomorrow morning for us to continue. See you then. Last 2 screws for the base. Almost finished with it.
All right. Had to bury to the heads.
Awesome. There's the base of our grow-on pond. The sub-base. Then we'll put plywood on top of it. And now we can work on the sides.
Right.
We're just putting the second 2x4s around just to make this solid, so we're not going to have any. This is going to be true and exact 6 feet by 6 feet for the interior of the pond. So, yeah, we're just going to screw these together and we'll get back to you. So this is going to be my project for the next week or 2. This is June 3rd today, and this patio is very uneven. You can see the high points, the low points. It's like very uneven. And when we had the sub base of the grow-on pond over there, the only thing that touched was the middle of it. There's a big hump in the middle, and then the furthest corner over there is way down. So all 4 edges of the pond were sticking up in the air about 1 to 2 inches. So I'm going to pick up all these pavers. I got some paver base. I'm going to spread it down. We're going to get this all leveled, tamp it down and level it, and then we'll be able to roll the sub base of the grow-on pond back over there, and we can start doing the wall. I'll be busy doing this, picking up all these pavers right now. Catch you in a bit. I'm beat. That's the 8th row up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to go. Oh. Pat, are you building sandcastles?
Where are my toys? I need my plastic toys and my castles.
At least it's level.
Right.
And this took all morning.
All morning. To build this and make it level.
Yeah, getting it level was an ordeal. You're deep in thought, Pat.
Yeah.
Working on the sides of the pond now.
1, 2, 3.
That was one heavy wall carrying that out, Pat.
Right.
But wall number 1 is done. Wall number 1 done. Looks good. Whew. Okay. On to the second wall. The fourth wall is almost done. Let's stand up here. Last 2 screws for the fourth wall of the pond. Yes.
Just wanted to make sure it didn't
Pop up, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Stand on that. Last screw, sign it!
That's not the last screw.
Oh, we still got the. Oh, yeah.
I didn't want to correct you while you were videotaping. This is the last screw.
I was rushing it. Then we have to lift this heavy sucker and carry it out there again.
Again.
Yep. Alrighty.
Done.
Working those lag screws.
Woo.
It's a workout.
Working those arms.
I know. We both just took ibuprofen. He needs it more. I just took it as sympathy. Take a break before you pass out.
Maybe. Almost there.
Nice.
Woo.
So today is Sunday, June 14th, and Pat just left. And I always like to recap what we did for the day. So we got this all 4 walls done. And Pat's ingenious idea, we just put a temporary screw so we could ratchet strap these to hold them together so that we could actually do stuff and try to secure the 4x4s to the actual base. So we did some 1/2-inch lag screws just on these, the inner 2 supports, and I gotta get 8 more during the week, and we'll lag the corner 2 to the base, and then we will be ready to put the other 4x4 in here, and we will carriage bolt these all together. We'll do 3 and 3 so that there is going to be no bowing, no issues of this. I mean, it's a much smaller pond than that one, but we just wanted to make sure we didn't have any issues. Like we had a little problem with the main pond bowing at the very beginning until we corrected the issue, but still, we're going overboard on this one so we don't have any problems. That's the end of today. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Pat, for all your work, all your effort. Oh my God, your arms are going to be killing you after ratcheting all those lag screws in, but it's going to look beautiful. And I can't wait for Pat to go and pick out some little tiny 4 or 5 inch koi that'll just be his. And so excited to have him have that, to have something to look forward to in here and for years to come. And when he retires and moves to Tennessee, I will pay for a ticket for him to come up here and visit. To come visit his koi until we build a pond for him down there. That is my plan, is to go down there, fly down there and help him build one of these for himself. He can build one of those, because I know him and Chris would absolutely love sitting out there. That's it for the initial build. We got the frame of the grow-on pond done, and now we'll work on the rails and everything else after. But I just wanted to finish this video up and get this posted. So catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching as always.